disappointing product. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I am Neelam Chauhan. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future videos. Hope you and your family are keeping well. आपको टाइटल से तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि this is all about Nykaa haul. Yes, I have ordered all this from Nykaa summer sale. It was from 12th April to 14th April and I have got all the products partially like in 2 days gap. So yeah, I have my Nykaa parcel here. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, none of these are sponsored. And yes, most of the products I am using for the first time. That's why मैंने order किया था कि sale भी था and I needed it somehow. So yeah, starting with the first product, this is a very disappointing product. अभी तक मैंने use नहीं किया इसको, but this is a dry shampoo from BBlunt, and yeah, look at the size of this product. This costed me for $250 and it was in discount like $224. But this is not worth at all. कितना tiny bottle है यार. I was like ये क्या मंगवाया था मैंने, and then after I saw that it is a dry shampoo. Actually summer था और मैंने dry shampoo कभी भी try नहीं किया है, तो मैंने try करने के लिए मंगवाया. तो मुझे लगा कि इतना तो bottle आएगा ही. And this is like I don't know, शायद मैं एक बार use करूँगी और उसमें ख़त्म हो जाएगा. But I so wanted this one because somehow कभी ना कभी shoot होता है या फिर कहीं, मतलब अभी तो कहीं जाना नहीं है, but somehow shoot होता है या फिर urgently कुछ करना है मुझे, तो I can use this if मेरा hair oily लग रहा है and something like that. So I so wanted to try this one, but this is totally disappointing. Though I will try this one and will review if possible, if it will work so wonder. So if आपने ये वाला प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया है तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट में बताना कि ये प्रोडक्ट कैसा है एंड ये वर्थ है या नहीं, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ये वर्थ है. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस बॉक्स, सो आई एम ओपनिंग दिस एंड या. So we have a Pond's facial kit. This is kind of a home facial kit. And I so wanted to try this one because ये बहुत सारे लोग बता रहे थे, even YouTubers और Instagram influencers. So I wanted to try this home facial kit. So I ordered this and this is really pocket friendly. The MRP of this product is at 300 and I got this for a 225 or something, 222 something. I will display the discounted price here and MRP here. And this will last you for 2 or 3 times, so it will hardly cost you 100 rupees per facial. Fully ये अच्छा होगा. I will try and will definitely review soon. If you want, please comment down below. इसमें 2 वेरिएंट आते हैं. एक पिंक वन है, that is विटामिन ब्राइटनिंग फेशियल किट, एंड अनदर वन इज अ चारकोल वन, सो वो ब्लैक है, बट आई वांटेड दिस वन. सो या, next product is this eyeshadow. This is a combo eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution. If you can see, I have already swatched some of the colors because I wanted to check the pigment of the color. And yeah, this was also a good deal because the MRP of one palette is in 950 and I got 2 in 950. It was a combo deal, so that's why I got both palette in just 950. So I grabbed it. And yeah, pigment is also good. If you want to swatch me, I can definitely, if you want me to, you know, swatch this light color, I can swatch it. Purple color, I can swatch it. Pigment is so good. So I want the colorful palette, so I saw it and I grabbed it, and yeah, I saw it, I get it. I saw it, I get it. Next product is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which is my favorite concealer. बिकॉज एक्चुअली है ना, लास्ट टाइम जो मैंने किया है यूज़ वो एज रिवाइंड कैरेमल है, ये वाला मैंने इस बार मीडियम यूज़ किया है, बट मे बी ये मेरे लिए लाइट शेड है. सो कोई नहीं, आई विल एडजस्ट विथ अनदर कंसीलर एंड विल draw. So MRP of this product is 620, but I got this in 434. This is a discounted price. It was just 40% off. So yeah, I got it in 434. Moving on to this. So this is too big. Products are not too much, but setting spray was big bottle, so that's why. So yeah, this is a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. This is a budget friendly, I guess, that's why I bought this one, and MRP of this is MRP of this is a 250 and I got this in 220 something. I guess maybe 15%, something like that. So wanted to try this one. I have already tried Makeup Revolution one, and that is also good with the hyaluronic acid, but this is of aloe vera and vitamin A, if you can see. So that's why, and this is also working wonder as per the review. So next I have this lip balm. This is from Blue Heaven, and the packaging of this is so good. If you can see, this is a kind of this is so pocket friendly. The MRP of this is 85 and I got this for 60 rupees. It's a really steal, you know. And this is also good lip balm as per the review. We'll try. Don't know, fragrance is so good. It's a kind of strawberry something. Next we have eyelashes. Actually I'm not wearing eyelashes, but I wanted to try this one because this is so natural on our face. Yeah, this is from Nykaa, and yes, this is a melodrama. There is a variant, so this is a melodrama, and MRP of this product is 199 and I got this for 149, I guess. So yeah, this is nice because the quality of eyelashes is also good, and this is a reusable. Then after I have this beauty blender. This is from a Bare Essential, and the quality of beauty blender is so good. Actually my old one is spoiled, so I so wanted to buy this. So MRP of this product is 170 and I got this for 150. So yeah. Next and last product I have is a L'Oreal Paris. It's a fixing spray, I guess. It's a satin finish hairspray in short, but actually Dheeraj wants this, that's why I ordered this one. And this review of this product is also so good, that's why I prefer this one. Otherwise there were a BBlunt one as well, but MRP of this product is a 750 and I got this for 630, I guess. Yes, 630. And so good. So yeah, एक्चुअली धीरज को चाहिए था, so मैंने ऑर्डर किया था. इफ कभी मैं कल कर दूंगी और इफ हेयर स्टाइल करूंगी तो मुझे भी काम आ जाएगा. एंड द एक्सपायरी ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज वैसे भी 2022, so yeah, तब तक तो हम कर ही लेंगे खत्म. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. Let me know in comment section below that what product you have already used and what was your experience about that. Anyone you have used dry shampoo, please let me know in comment section that what was your experience and which brand you have used. Yes, So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Lots of love and positivity to your way. Please be strong. Don't panic. Bye.